Hey everyone, it's Chris and Kels from Chow Perth. Today we're going to Fremantle Markets to explore lots of different food options and we can't wait to share it with you.
So everybody, you know what time it is? It is time to chow. I think we should just go straight to the markets and at least try a gozleme first. That's like a good start-up snack. Alright, so that's wicked. So we're on our way to the cafe strip. It's very busy today actually.
Yeah, it is.
Lots and lots of people.
Coming up on some of the food now.
Yeah, this is where all the great food is.
Where it starts to smell really good.
Alright, what are we gonna eat first?
These ones are the three takeaways. All three.
What are we gonna order?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. See, as you can see, these guys are like a well-oiled machine.
Yours are ready, sir. Your two takeaways.
Machine. Really, really good job. This is my Gosbar. I want one with meat in it. Hey?
Oh, one more packet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool. So this is the chicken gozleme with 3 different types of sauces. One's hummus and one's chili, and I believe the other one's garlic. So this is super hot. Awesome.
How is it, babe?
Awesome. I'm just gonna do a quick scoop of mine. So fresh, so quick. We literally ordered and 2 minutes later it was ready.
I know it was really, really quick.
It. I love that they give you different sauces as well.
Well, I need to try some. What makes it is how flaky it is.
Oh yeah.
That's what makes it. It's so flaky and so fresh. And the flavour is just amazing. This is the best in Perth for sure. I've eaten a few. Alright, got a bit of the chilli sauce here. I like it with that chilli sauce. Really good. Amazing. sparkling noodles. Alright, this is where we're going to eat next. Wow, this looks amazing.
So, what is it that you're eating?
This is the charcoal grilled lamb from Fluffy Lamb, I think it is. Just inside there. As you can see, we've got some onions on the side here. We've got a few tomatoes, some cucumber. We've got this beautiful charcoal lamb with some satay sauce. So let's try this out. That's wicked. Like, wow.
Worth the wait?
Hell yeah. That lamb and that sauce. Wow. This is the best thing I've eaten today.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you gonna save some for me?
Well, yes, hold on. I'm gonna have one more spoon, and then you can taste it. Keep it going.
So I'm gonna get a cheeseburger.
You're gonna get
Want me to get a double? We'll share?
No, because we're gonna eat lots of food today. Just get a small one.
Hi. Can I just have one cheeseburger and a no sugar, please? Do you want the first bite?
Hey?
Do you want the first bite?
No, you can do it. What's it like?
Oh yeah. That's actually very good.
Show me it. Looks amazing.
Yeah. That's actually really good. It's quite crispy.
It's crispy.
It's got nice American cheese in it. Really nice.
You reckon it's better than the burger that we had a couple of nights ago? Or different?
Best burger I've had in a while.
Wow. Okay.
Here, try. Good, eh?
Wow. Bread's really soft, and the sauce is what makes it. The sauce is amazing. You've got the pickles and the cheese, which is all melted. Pickles and the cheese are really melted. It's really yummy.
Great burger.
Amazing burger. Really good.
Cool. So this is at Smash Grill in Fremantle. As you can see, it's super busy. I think this burger was about $11.50. It's awesome. It's got lots of veggies in it as well. I like that.
Oh, this must be new. Taro Macaroon. How you going?
Good, how are you?
Good, mate. How are you?
I'm good.
So, are you guys new? Have you guys been here for a while?
Oh
Or?
no. Friday was like our first day there.
Friday.
Yeah.
Wow.
It looks like you're sold out of a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks amazing.
Red bean,
Wow. They've
soybean,
got some really good flavours that I like.
Vegemite.
I don't know about the veggie one, but the red bean, the roasted soybean sounds amazing. Wow. We got matcha. Oh no, that's lemon sorbet. I thought it was matcha. You got matcha up there as well. Oh wow. We're definitely going to have to come and grab some of these on the way out because we need to eat some savoury food first.
Definitely.
Thanks, man.
So we're just coming up to some of the very best coffee that you can get. Coffee Connection. So these are some of the very best coffees you can find in Perth.
Very nice.
I'm entering us in a draw to win a free bag of ground coffee valued up to $100. So hopefully we win.
She's going to get a coffee. I don't know which one she's going to get.
Should I some sugar?
No, thank you.
It's actually not that sunny, but it's a bit cold actually, but it's still lovely.
Gorgeous day. So we've just walked down to the foreshore and to the park down in Freo. We're pretty much done at the markets now, so I just thought I'd grab a coffee. So this one is from Coffee Connection. They've got a store here in Fremantle. They're awesome people. They got an amazing selection, as you can see, so I'm gonna take a sip.
What flavour is it again?
It's a cinnamon coffee. I think it's cinnamon chocolate
Hazelnut
something,
cream,
but
wasn't it?
we'll put the type of coffee in the description, and we'll try and flash it up on screen so everyone can see what kind it was. I've tried a bunch of different flavors from Coffee Connection and I like all of them. But the good thing is, if you want to go there, you can just try whatever kind you want, and if you like it, the next time you go back, you can actually get a take-home bag of coffee beans so you can make it for yourself. But it's so nice being able to try flavor coffees. If you buy something in the supermarket, obviously you're having to commit to one bag. But with Coffee Connection, you can just try a single cup.
This Carriage Cafe has been here for like 30 years, 40 years. It's been here so long. Actually, I'm not sure if that's true, but anyway. He's like, no, you cannot come.
What did he say?
Look, go away, this is my spot.
He's a bit of a bully.
And he's chasing him now. Oh, now the other one's being angry as well. Don't get me wrong, I like that it's not super hot, but it's also quite windy and quite cold right now. I wish it was a little bit sunnier. But we will come back to Fremantle on a nicer day and spend some time like at Little Creatures and spend a day there. Not a day, but we'll do an episode just in Little Creatures. I think it's time to maybe go grab some dessert or something. What do you think?
Oh yes.
But I want to chow time some dessert. I want to chow some dessert. Let's go get some. This is the macaroon place that I had a chat to the guy before, took a quick video. They're saying that they've just come here last Friday, so I'm actually going to try this macaroon. This is the red bean butter, it's called. So I'm hoping that it tastes quite nice. What a toss-up.
You like it?
Wow. What's different with this and other macarons is that the amount of filling, number one, and number two, look how big it is. It's like, it's a big macaroon. I have to say the center is amazing. The red bean's quite neutral, but the filling's kind of buttery and salty. It's actually an awesome contrast. I'm really surprised how yummy this is. We got this other one, but we're going to try that. Really good. I would recommend this place. Even though they're new, different time, come here and try it. It's really good.
So this is a lemon sorbet macaroon from the same place. And it's bloody amazing.
Really
It's really good.
really thick.
The lemon's quite tart, and I really like lemon flavour.
All right, I want to taste.
No.
What do you mean, no?
When we came past earlier, there was a lot more flavours. Now it's about 2 o'clock and a lot of stuff's sold out. So if you want to check these guys out, make sure you come earlier. They had a lot of really cool flavours. Well, some of them sound quite disgusting, like Vegemite. But a lot of them sound really cool, and lots of more like Asian type ingredients like red bean.
They had roasted soybean or
matcha,
something,
they had
yeah.
Sesame, lots of different flavors that you wouldn't usually get at a traditional French patisserie. So definitely check it out.
Cool.
All right, so we finished our day in beautiful Fremantle. We enjoyed a lot of different food, and lastly, we just had our macaroons and coffee.
What was your favourite?
The ghost lemon was pretty good.
The ghost lemon.
Yeah.
I have to say I like the lamb and rice from, I think it's called Fluffy Lamb. I thought it was really nice.
Yeah.
But I have to say I enjoyed all the food today. I liked the burger.
Yeah.
And I liked the ghost lemon. And I really liked the macaroon. I thought it was all good. So I think that from a food perspective, everything was wicked.
And everyone was really friendly. Like, we had great service everywhere we went. The weather's nice and cool, and it wasn't too busy. So overall,
Yeah.
it was a very successful trip down to Frio.
Other than that, we're about to say goodbye. So please give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and subscribe to our channel, which is going to be Chow time. But other than that, we look forward to the next video. See you then.
See ya.
Bye. Hey man.
How are we doing?
Good man, how are you?
I am really triple good.